Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by checking numlock. Make sure it's set the way you need it. If the LED is off, press numlock and test numbers again. Then inspect the keypad surface. Crumbs or spills can block keys. Once done, plug in an external USB keyboard to see if numbers work there. This quickly tells you if the problem is hardware versus system. If the external keyboard types numbers, focus on the laptop's physical keypad or its connector. Next, delve into Settings. Open Device Manager and locate keyboards. You can update the driver or roll it back if a recent update broke functionality. Also, go to Accessibility or Ease of Access and confirm mouse keys is off. Otherwise, numeric keypad will move the cursor. Once those are set, reboot to apply changes. Make sure wireless keyboards are paired correctly and replace batteries if intermittent. Simple power issues often mimic key failures. Finally, test the keypad before booting the OS. Restart and enter BIOS or firmware settings. If numbers work there, the issue is software-related. Then run the built-in keyboard troubleshooter and, if needed, uninstall the keyboard device from Device Manager and reboot so the system reinstalls it. If keys still fail, carefully clean under keys or replace the keyboard module. Troubleshooting tip. If the issue persists after these steps, try a full system restore or an external keyboard. This quickly isolates the fault.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.